in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Denton County in north-central Texas, northwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, southeastern Cooke County in north-central Texas, southwestern Grayson County in north-central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gainesville to near Sanger to 8 miles northwest of Crum, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frisco, Denton, Sherman, Gainesville, Sanger, Whitesboro, Prosper, Salina, Crum, Pilot Point, Aubrey, Krugerville, Collinsville, Crossroads, Gunter, Dorchester, Ray Roberts Park, Isle du Bois, Lake Kiowa, Ray Roberts Park, Johnson Branch, and South Mate. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 470 and 499. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.